We're on the Tip Masters PDF and we're in area 20, open areas or rails. When possible, play for the side of the ball that offers more pockets. In drill 2 in this 9-ball layout, we're on the 6 ball and we need to create an angle on the 7 ball to get on the 8 ball. We could go one rail labeled B, but we're rolling into an open area, so our speed control has to be very good. A better choice is to go into 2 rails toward the 7 ball at the correct angle labeled 8. This opens up our position window. All right, everyone, let's sticker this up and get to it.